When do we use the past simple?
When do we use the past simple tense?
We use the past simple to talk about actions completed in the past.
Which of the following sentences uses past simple correctly?
The sentence, "I went to the store yesterday," uses past simple correctly.
When do we use past simple with a specific time expression like yesterday?
We use past simple with a specific time expression like yesterday when the action happened at a definite time in the past.
Which sentence is in the past simple tense?
The sentence, "She ate pizza last night," is in the past simple tense.
Which sentence is past simple used for?
Past simple tense is used for describing actions that happened and finished in the past.
Which of these time expressions is commonly used with past simple?
The word "last week" is commonly used with past simple.
When can we use the past simple tense?
We can use the past simple when describe actions that finished at a specific point in the past.
When can we use the past simple tense?
We can use the past simple tense when say, "He went to the gym last week."
Which actions do we not use past simple to talk about?
We do not use past simple to talk about ongoing actions. Which sentence is correct? The sentence, "I didn't see the movie yesterday," is correct.